Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will be analyzing the gold actions for the past week and what to expect for the upcoming week. So in this video, we're going to look at the key levels and the price structures and the possible setups are based on ICT and SMC concepts, using price action concepts, and we use the pivots as support and resistance and some EMAs, moving averages. So yeah, so let's recap the market sentiments for the last week. What happened there? We can see that for the last week, gold has been so volatile, yes, due to some key events. So what are the key events? Is FOMC meetings, which is Federal Reserve Bank was said there is a lot of interest rates. So that is the reason for going there so up. And the CPI and NFP and the geopolitical news. So the USD was so weaker for the last week. So the gold was so negative correlations. So that is the recap of the market sentiments. So let's get into the chart and recap. Sorry, and what to expect for the upcoming week. So here we can see that the one-day chart here. So in this one day chart, there is a massive pump in the gold. The USD was so weaker due to some technical events. So here we can see that there is two sell side liquidity, but that is not possible to come there because the fundamental news and fundamental analysis was so strong. The gold is moving, the moon is creating all time highs and creating higher highs and high lows. So the sell side liquidity was so weaker compared to the market structure. So let's go into the smaller time frames and let's find out some possible setups. So let's go into the 4-hour time frame. So as we can see there, the gold was so consolidated here. We predict that previous back it will go to the up to 2800 zone, but it can reverse up to from 2840 price. So creating a lot of liquidity here. So price was so the price was so pumped last week. The price was so pumped last week. So we can see that there is a massive, there is a strong fair value gap here. So as per the bullish continuation, the price can reject this FVG because we can see that there is a possible FVG in the 4-hour and 2-hour and 1-hour time frames. So we can take this fair value gap as a strong. So and we have a strong confirmation for bullish and also some for bearish. So let's see in the 4-hour we can see the FVG here. So possible setup here. So on we can see the sell side liquidity, two sell side liquidities at the 2900 zones. 2900 zone is one and 2940 zone is one. So we can see from this price also. So before going to the 1-hour time frame, you guys can look into this chart clearly. You can get a clear knowledge from this chart. So let's go into the 1-hour time frame now. So let's remove this. So as we can see that in the 1 hour there is a clear chart from the 1-hour time frame. So we can go with clearly here. So as we can see that the market structure was so strongly bullish structure is there, creating impulsive moves to the upsides and creating all-time highs every time, and creating higher highs and higher lows, indicating strong bullish continuation. So we can see the last breakup structure was here. So if the direction want to change there from uptrend to downtrend, it will break the 2932 zone. So it is not possible for now. So we're looking into the as per ICT, as per looking into the ICT at the key levels. So there is a strong bullish intraday setup is there with high probability. So firstly, we're looking for the pullback into the FVG. So the clear FVG is there in the 4 hour time frame. Also, we can see that there is a strong fair value gap is there. So on here, we can see. Sorry, I'll change this color. You can see that there's a strong fair value gap in the 1 hour too. And this is called. Just remove this. Yes, we can see that golden zone. Golden zone. Why? Because golden zone we can use the Fibonacci levels here to get the golden zone. So the golden zone and the fair value gap is at the same price, so we can consider as same levels. It's a strong level, so we can say that the price from 2970 2960 is the zone for the bullish trend up to the next liquidity. If you are looking for the bullish setups, so look at the zone 2960 to 2970. So this is confirming as strong bullish continuation from there. Maybe the price will pull back up to there. Uh, and stop on your stop losses must be up to last swing low, which is around 2995, 2955. Sorry, yeah, this one. And target is up to it if it will be come here, the golden zone. So as per the extension, Fibonacci extension, we can it will break these level, because the pivot resistance is up to 3012. So this trend goes like this. So this is our weekly prediction for this week, and I will update everything in my YouTube channels and Telegram channels. I'll update my trades, and I'll give some signals to my students who is in my Telegram channels. So just subscribe to my channel there and follow me. Thank you so much, guys.